What kind of salary do I need to buy a $500,000 house with minimum 5% down payment? Can you break it down for me? This is the question I get asked almost every day. Here is the answer. So 500K purchase price, you do minimum down payment which is $25,000. Your mortgage is going to be $475,000. CMHC insurance will be approximately $20,000. The total loan amount in that case becomes $495,000. Assuming we take a mortgage at 4.19% for 30-year amortization, because we have now 30 years available for first-time home buyers. So your mortgage payments will become approximately just over $2,400 a month. Property taxes, we are assuming at $292 a month. Heating at $100 a month. No condo fees. Stress test will be at 6.19%. So basically what's happening here is that even though your monthly payment is $2,400, banks do a stress test to make sure in case the rates were to increase tomorrow, you are still able to handle increase in the payments. So they are qualifying you at $3,000 payment as of today, and then if it in case it goes up, you have a buffer that you will still be able to meet your monthly obligations. And this is the exact reason why we are not seeing a lot of crunch in the Canadian market. We are still seeing people struggling, but not a lot, because of this same reason that we do have stress test in place. Now you are allowed as first time home buyers to go up to 39% of your gross monthly income. So basically what it means in very simple and plain languages, if you make $100 a month, you can go up to $39. That will include your monthly payment for the mortgage, property taxes, heating, and in case there is any condo fees. Now in this case, we have assumed that you do not have a condo fees and also that you do not have any other debts. Also, the credit score for at least one person on the file needs to be 680 plus. Now every now and then people come to me and say, hey, I have a credit score of 800 plus. So it's all the same. As long as one person has a credit score of 680 plus, it is all the same. Now another thing to note here is, if you have any other loan or car loan combined, the monthly payment on that will need to be $450 or less, cannot be more than that. Now for this, how much you would need to qualify as a annual income? $105,000. Now $105,000 household income, whether you are a single person or a couple or two friends buying a property or two brothers buying a property, family members buying together, this is how much you need. Now make it very simple, you divide it by 2. So per person you need $52,500. That is the income you need to qualify for a $500,000 house in this scenario. Everybody's scenario will be different. So when you are ready, or at least start exploring and need to understand your numbers, work with professionals who know the market and who know how to run the numbers, whether that's the real estate side or the mortgage side. If you have any mortgage related questions, feel free to give me a call. I will give you the honest advice, and then what you do with it, that's completely up to you.